Hey all, we'll see different types of profiles in WebSphere. In those, we'll see how to install a deployment manager profile. We'll install through GUI in this class, and we'll install through command mode in the next class, and we'll see its configuration details. To revise in previous classes, we have installed IBM Installation Manager, because without Installation Manager we cannot install WebSphere. And we have installed WebSphere, so in that installation we could get only wasroot. We can even call wasroot as base binaries. So wasroot contains scripts and executable files which are required to configure and maintain profile. So the next step would be creating profile, and after creating profile we can deploy application and give application details to users. These are different types of profiles available. The first is application server profile. It is a profile in which we can configure applications, and the next it is a deployment manager profile. Deployment manager profile is used to maintain application server profiles, and to configure high availability we should club group of application server profiles and make one cluster. So we'll see all those configurations in next classes. And custom profile is nothing but similar to application server profile, where we'll give many configuration details manually. Cell profile is the group of deployment manager and application server. Cell profile is nothing but the combination of application server and deployment manager profile. This is best suitable in development environment, because they don't need to worry about configuration and configuring profiles separately and federating them, all those things. So cell profile is best suitable for development environment. Administrative agent profile will have agent service with which we can manage multiple application servers. Job manager profile is used to manage jobs in multiple application servers. So now let us go ahead and see how to install deployment manager. So this is the wasroot which we have installed earlier. In the wasroot we need to go to bin folder. Bin folder contains all executable files, or the executable files related to commands which are used to configure and maintain WebSphere. So from bin you need to navigate to profile management folder, and from here you need to open profile management tool using pmt.bat. Profile management tool is used to create profiles. Let us open it. So profile management tool has been opened. Let us create it. So I'm going ahead to create management profile, so I'm selecting it. I'm going ahead with default settings. I'm not enabling security for the convenience for the time being. We can enable security in the security topic classes. So these are the default ports it is taking. 9060 is used to access administrative console. This is a secure port for administrative console, and this is 9807 is bootstrap, and SOAP port number is 8877. We'll see how to use them in the next classes, and the profile would be created with the name admin agent 02. These are the cell and node names. Let us go ahead and create it. Management profile has been created. Let us navigate and check its status. So once a profile is created, you will see those configuration files in VAS root. This is VAS root, and then you can go to profiles. Now our profile has been created with 02. So these are the files created, and we can check the status by going through bin, and we can check through command prompt. So these are the commands used to start, stop, and check the status of service. So let us check the service of deployment manager. So after installation, we did not start it, so the application, the management server profile status is stopped. So let us start it. So we can start the server using this command, and then later on we can stop using this command. So let us start the profile. Since we did not enable security, it is not asking for any authentication. Otherwise, after enabling security, it will ask for username and password. You will get a pop-up, small pop-up window to enter credentials. So whatever credentials you give during installation, you can use those credentials. In general, you will have prod user in live environment, in the production environment. You can create a prod user as per company standards. Yes. So when any profile is started, you'll get message like this: server admin agent open for e-business. So something like this, open for e-business, and you'll get a process ID. So now profile has been started, and profiles will have admin console, and we can manage through that admin console. Let us see how to open and how to check its details and open it. So this is where our profile has been created, and we'll go through the file structure in the next classes. So now let us go through logs, and You will get the details of this profile in this file, about this profile, and here the admin agent port number is 9060, and the syntax to navigate administrative console is this hostname, admin port, and then /admin. So instead of hostname, I'm using localhost, as I have installed in the same system. In real time, you need to use the actual hostname where the WebSphere, where the deployment manager has been installed. /admin. So this is the syntax to open administrative console. Hostname, port number, administrative console port number, and admin. We are opening for the first time, it's taking a little bit long time to open it. Yeah, we don't need to give authentication, as we did not enable security. Let us log in. So this is how you deploy a management profile, and this is how we navigate through administrative console. We'll go through with all the features in next classes. And now let us go ahead and see how to install management profile in Linux as well. It's just similar, but we just use few commands, and we use terminal, and we use instead of .bat we'll use shell scripts. Let us see how to navigate and install management profile in Linux. So yeah, in previous class we have installed WebSphere here. So I'm in VAS root. So let us go to bin. Let us go to profile management. Let us go to profile management. And now we have to execute this tool, PMT, profile management tool. So here it is a script file, shell script file. So, and to execute it, we need to use the command // so pmt.sh /pmt.sh. To execute all scripts in Linux, we have to use / and then followed by the script name. So that is what I'm doing here. So enter. So now profile management tool should open. Now from here, most of the steps will be similar, but still let us go ahead and do it. Let's create it. Let us select management profile. Next. I'm going ahead with default settings. Let us not enable security. You can enable it later during security sessions. I'm going ahead with default settings. Yep. Management profile has been created. Let us navigate and check its status. So this is where it is installed. So these are the configuration details of a management profile. Its admin port is 9060, or let us check the service status and navigate through administrative console. So in Windows we have used these three commands, and now let us use these commands in Linux. So I can use these commands through profile root, and I can use these commands from was root. So you can take screenshot of these commands. So let us run to check the status in was root. To make it clear, so this is profile root. So in the Windows we have checked from profile root. Let us go to was root. This is was root, so I'm going to bin, and I'm using this command to check the server status. It seems to be stopped. Let us start it. So we pulled out this profile name in the logs from the file about this profile earlier. profile is successfully started. Let us navigate through admin console. I just want to open the configuration details once again. So we pulled out a profile name from here, and so this is the admin port. So let us navigate through the console with this syntax. I'm sorry, I did not use the proper URL. Yeah. So I'll go through about deployment manager features, configurations in next classes, and let us wind up the class for today. And if you like this session, you can like this video so that other people can know about this video and they can learn as well. And if you want to learn WebSphere Application Server Administration course, you can subscribe to this channel so that you can get more videos in near future. Thank you for watching this class and video. Bye bye.